Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for more updates.
Hey, hi friends, my name is Geet and today I'll be teaching you how to improve your vocabulary. It is not a big cup of tea, it's pretty much easy, but necessary hard work and a continuous reading will certainly help you out a lot. Okay, so we have been teaching, I teach in Shukla Institute and you can see the channel's name under this video. I would request you to like and subscribe this channel. So without losing any time, let's start our topic, which is vocabulary. Vocabulary, if I talk about vocabulary, just the another name of vocabulary is thesaurus. It's thesaurus. Thesaurus. And the second word is glossary. This is not entirely same, but somehow it is related to each other. And so the first step of improving a vocabulary is, like in everyday life, you observe many things. You come across with many words, but you ignore them. So for example, if I say you, like if you heard a bike named Splendor, there is a bike named Splendor. So splendor means very beautiful. Majestic, grandeur, splendor. And if I come on the second word, if you heard a drink name, a fizz drink name, that is Sprite, most of the people think it is just a name, it doesn't have any kind of meaning, whereas the meaning of Sprite is elf or a fairy. Both are mythical creatures. Fairy is a creature having wings, a winged creature, whereas elf is also a mythical creature having big ears and big and pointed ears, and the pointed nose with the body of half human and half creature. So these are the two words which I have told you till now. Let's move on to the next words. That is, if you heard a bike name that is Duke, it's a very good bike. And so Duke means a prince or a king. Okay? A prince or a king. And if I come on to the next word, which is endeavor, endeavor is a car, which means trying to achieve things despite of risk and difficulties. Let me just write down this for you. Trying to achieve something despite of risk and difficulties. It is a luxurious SUV car. If you have heard, or if you haven't, you can search about it. Okay, so if these four words are clear, let's move on to the next word. I will tell you daily life, but we always tend to ignore them. Few months back, before the period of pandemic, I went to a nightclub, the name of that nightclub was Privy. It is a really good nightclub, and the meaning of this word is to be told, which told to many people. So as I told you, the word Privy, it is a famous nightclub in Delhi, and it means to be told something which hasn't been told to many people. Okay? So this is how you are going to improve your vocabulary, your set of words. You know what there was a time in era of 50s and 60s when there wasn't social media. People had this hobby of reading only. Mostly people used to read a lot. And an average vocabulary just for the English, the people used to have average vocabulary of around 1 lakh words, that is 100,000 words. But now, due to the advancement in technology, people has chosen a lot of other hobbies, and so their vocabulary has reduced very low, and it has just now the average vocabulary a person has is only 10,000 set of words. So this word, which is Privy, it is a famous nightclub in Delhi, and it means to be told something which hasn't been told to many people. Okay, so let us move to our next word. Heard this word, if you play this game, which is Mini Militia, you must have heard this word newbie. This word has been derived from the word noob. Noob. And noob means a fresher. A fresher or a beginner. Okay? A fresher or a beginner. So let's move to our next word, which is prudent. So this prudent word, which I came to know, if you heard the word, this ICICI, prudential. So this prudential word has been derived from prudent, which means avoid taking risk. Okay? So, Privy, newbie which has been derived from noob, which is a fresher or a beginner. Prudent, avoid taking risks. So, let's move to our next word. So, the key to have a great vocabulary is, first you have to be observant. You come across many words. You see the words in advertisements, you see the words when you're going somewhere, on the billboards, anywhere. Knowledge comes from anywhere. And the thing is that you just need to be observant, and always whatever the word that you come across, just check that word on your smartphone, whether that word really does exist or not. Most of the words exist, because that is why they have been used in somewhere, whether it is in advertisement or billboards. So our next word, cash. If you must have seen this word in computer, cache, which means a hidden place where things are stored. Cache. Its pronunciation is similar to the word cash only. It is pronounced as cash only. So guys, in this quarantine period, in this right now in this ongoing pandemic, you must have came across this word, which is stimulus package. So stimulus package, which means any activity which is done by the government, bank, company, etc. in order to start an economic growth. And because of this word, this entire word, this stimulus, if we talk about only stimulus only, which means growth or an activity. Growth or an activity. So you will, as I told you, and as I told you, there are many words that you will came across. There are many words that you will come across, but the thing is that you also have to read. Extensive reading is a key to have a good vocabulary, thesaurus, I would say. So let's move to our next word, accord. Accord is a card, and it means an agreement, a formal agreement. Another card name which has some meaning. And there is also a car name which is Wrangler. Wrangler is a kind of a Jeep. You can search about it. A Wrangler means a person in a horse stable, who take care of the horses. Wrangler. Whereas the word wrangle means just only the word wrangle, it means an argument, especially going for a long time. An argument especially going for a long time, or that continues for a long time. So these are the words that I have told you. Now let's move to our next word. Yeah, another car name I would let you know, and it is a very luxurious car, luxurious SUV car. If you must have heard about this car, which is Range Rover. So this word rover means a person who travels from place to place. A person who travels from place to place. Okay? And the last word for the today's class is renegade. Renegade. So renegade means a person who has changed his feelings for a particular country, government, company, etc., and is no longer with them. A person who has changed his feelings for a particular country, government, company, etc., and is no longer with them. So I have told you many words. So these all words I came across by observing the things which are around me only. You need to be really observant around yourself and see whatever you come across something new which you don't know. Just always check that word. Does that word really exist or not? And certainly, if that word doesn't exist, but certainly you will come to know something new. To have a great vocabulary, knowledge is also a really necessary thing that you need. So we have talked about a lot of words today, and I will come in my next class. We will talk about how to improve vocabulary again, and I will talk about more things. And to have these kinds of lessons again, I would request you to like and subscribe our channel below in the link. Thank you.